Not only is there opportunities for our partners within the Auto ID world, which we're trying to recruit and build that channel, we've also got the opportunities for our traditional partners within the IT reseller area, where they can expand their knowledge of our products, but expand that opportunity where they may be providing print, but can add the addition of labelling within that area.
I'm Michelle Ryder, editor of PrintIT Reseller magazine. I'm here today with Greig Millar, CRO of Brother UK. Good morning, Greg. Hello, welcome, and thank you for joining me.
Good morning, Michelle. Thanks for having me. I'm looking forward to it.
So, Brother is currently recruiting partners in the OA channel. Why now? What's driving this channel recruitment initiative? And how's Brother positioning itself to help channel partners win more managed print deals?
I think we've only just started to become more relevant to those resellers within the OA space and those kind of traditional copier dealers. So we're seeing a shift in the marketplace where end customers are moving away, or the requirement for that large departmental machine is becoming less and less, and they're looking for a more distributed print environment for A4 work group. And so we've now got a relevant proposition for those partners. And we're helping those partners by creating a brand new MPS business partner program. And we've been really successful up to date. We've recruited 36 partners as of today. And we're offering them benefits such as 5-year warranty, exclusive products, exclusive consumables. So we've really got a complete package, including rebates and promotions for the end customer and for themselves as well.
So Brother's got a comprehensive lineup, mono and colour, laser and inkjet devices, everything really from Soho through to the office. At the recent MPS partner event, the team was speaking very much about balanced deployment. Can you explain what you mean by this and how this approach can help partners differentiate in competitive bids and better meet customers' needs, alluding back to the point you've just made that the A3 workhorse device isn't as relevant in today's environment? Yeah,
I think when we're talking balanced deployment, that is, again, a real good opportunity for these for the OA channel and those partners sitting within that area. Because we're seeing that shift from A3, that balanced deployment allows end customers to put the machines where they're needed, so they're nearer to the end users, and that improves the workflow. It improves the efficiency as well. So customers, big A3 devices aren't getting clogged up with jobs. The actual users can get the print jobs from where they need them. It speeds up time efficiency, and we're seeing cost efficiencies from that as well. And this comes from our experience within retail and healthcare, and we're able to introduce that kind of balanced deployment model across other organisations and other industry sectors as well.
So that's quite interesting. So Brother's A4 lineup can actually complement a channel partner's existing offerings. So if they're offering another vendor's A3, they can bring in the Brother A4 products to create that balanced deployment that customers now need and demand.
Yeah, very much so. That's where we're really seeing the opportunity, and that's what we're hearing really positive feedback from that OA channel around that balanced deployment, and how that's meaning that they are not leaving opportunity on the table. Yeah. They've got those opportunities to do that balanced deployment, increase that efficiency and cost savings for the end customer.
So then moving on to industrial labelling, another area that Brother's very strong in, what's the opportunity here for channel partners, and how can they leverage your extended, broader offering to expand into new verticals or add value to existing customers?
Yeah, I think the adding value is really important, because we've got our traditional partners that we're already dealing with. So they may be supplying print into end customers. They may be in, as I've already mentioned, retail, healthcare. But then we've got our Auto ID partners, and we're having a really big push in there. So Brother's always been known for labelling, and our electrical labellers, our network installing labellers. And we've got a really good proposition within that space. We're quite new to auto ID, so we're doing a big push to recruit more partners into that auto ID space who are specifically looking at that world, and that includes things like industrial labelers. So we've just launched new products, our TJ6 lineup, and that puts us up into that 6-inch labeling for packaging, for doing logistics packaging and logistics labeling. So we've got this broad product lineup, right from industrial labeling all the way through to on-body receipt and labeling, and all the way through into back office print. So we've got that complete end-to-end solution. So not only is there opportunities for our partners within the auto ID world, which we're trying to recruit and build that channel, we've also got the opportunities for our traditional partners within the IT reseller area, where they can expand their knowledge of our products, but expand that opportunity where they may be providing print, but can add the addition of labelling within that area.
So that's interesting. So there's sort of cross-sell opportunities for both channels. So I don't know, a customer that has got an office print fleet managed by Brother and they've got warehousing facilities, for example, or they're doing some sort of shipping logistics, the partner's then got the opportunity to say, we can help you with the labelling element there as well.
That's exactly it. And we've already got large high street customers that have retail stores, but we're also now providing solutions for their warehousing and logistics, but also within the food industry as well. So we have food outlets, food retail outlets, which are doing the same thing, but also labelling food with DADOT, etc. So
another hot topic in the industry, indeed every industry, we talk a lot about sustainability and the circular economy in the print sector. Brother uniquely is the only OEM that remanufactures both laser and inkjet cartridges. So in terms of sustainability, what's your message to the channel and how does it strengthen your overall offering?
We've spoken about this before, Michelle. We don't stand on the rooftops and shout about our sustainability credentials. We are working on that. We're improving our messaging around that. But as you've stated there, we have got award-winning facilities within Slovakia and also in our establishment in Rwabin in North Wales, which are not only remanufacturing toners but also ink cartridges, and as you stated, we're the only one manufacturer to be currently doing that. But we're also reinventing our packaging, so all of our products will now be coming in a brown box, but we've also got a really innovative moulded pulp interior packaging now. So we're doing away with the expanded polystyrene as well, which is another really key point moving towards our sustainability goals. And with that molded pulp packaging, we've also won lots of global awards around that particular piece of packaging. So we continue to develop our sustainability messaging to ensure that people understand that we are really at the forefront, and we need to get better at communicating that out to the wider world, really. But that will continue to be really important for us. We see it as we see bids and tenders come in from end customers. It's still very high on everybody's agenda. There's lots of people that, that the expectation is that we have those credentials, and we need to communicate them better that, we do have them.
So do you find, you've mentioned sustainability and environmental credentials form highly now on tenders and bids. Do you find that a lot of your partners are turning to you to help them communicate that in competitive bids and tenders now, to communicate Brother's sustainability benefits so that they can then hopefully differentiate?
Yeah, we've got sustainability officers within our business, so we can make sure that when we get those bids and tenders, we would be there alongside, at your side with our partners to ensure that they get the support they need to respond to those bids and tenders correctly. That's
great. So again, that's another way that Brother's adding value to the partnership, because I think the sustainability piece will only become more important. I don't think it will wane at all.
Yeah, absolutely.
From a marketing perspective, what's the current focus? You've touched on the fact that you're communicating about sustainability. I know security is another key focus area for you. But from a partner's perspective, promotions, what are you doing in terms of promotions, helping them to sort of stay ahead and win?
In terms of, we've got lots of promotions on at the moment. We're very heavy on promotions as we come into this really busy consumer period running up to Christmas. We've got Black Friday coming up. So these are really important periods for us. So we've got around 70 products, over 70 products that are currently on promotion. But backing all that up, we've got two really strong marketing campaigns. So we've got a Europe-wide inkjet marketing campaign, which is, as I say, all across Europe. And that's really cementing our reputation within that inkjet space and communicating about all the features and benefits of those products. But we're also, within the UK specifically, got a big colour laser campaign called Long Live Colour. And that is going to be backed up by promotions, some really rich margin opportunities for the resellers. So that's kicking off at the moment as well. So we've got some really strong promotional messaging and pricing to back it up, and margin opportunities ultimately for the resellers, because without the resellers, we can't do this, because we are 100% channel focused.
And when will those promotions run until?
They'll run until the end of the financial year, so the end of March.
It's been great to catch up, find out a bit more about what Brother's current focus is. Anything else you'd like to add that we've not covered or talked about?
I'm leaving today to actually make my way across London to go to the PC Pro Awards. So we've actually been awarded for the 12th year running, which is incredible. PC Pro's Print Manufacturer of the Year. So what's really important about that to us is the fact that that is voted by the end customers. So that's voted by the users. So that makes that a really special award. So it's fantastic to be going there. So I'm really pleased that we've managed to retain that award for the 12th year running. So
that's incredible. 12 years in a row, the Print Manufacturer of the Year. And as you said, actually more important because it was voted for by end users, actual customers of Brother.
Exactly.
Users of Brother products. Yeah. It's great. So lovely to catch up, and I look forward to doing it all again soon.
Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks for joining me today.